Igloohome Smart Keybox 3. Hello, this is the new shackle storage system. It's a really high-end, super durable metal touch-sensitive key lock. Here's some details. You can pause this video and read the information. But the headers are storage for the essentials, optimal versatility, and fuss-free experience. Then we'll go to the back, some more information about the lock before we go inside the lock itself. There's apps for your iPhone and Android. You get a unique PIN number, and this is their special technology. Grant time-sensitive access, view activity logs, and it works offline. It uses 4 AAA batteries, and it has a USB-C port on the bottom, which we'll show you right now, to charge the unit for emergency jump start. So that's right there. And then this is all touch-sensitive. Unlock, lock, and you put the code in, but the battery is not hooked up right now. So we just wanted to show you what we have inside. So this is what's going on inside the lock. They give you a screwdriver, so that's nice. They give you mounting screws, it's also good. There's also a secondary shackle in here. There's 2 shackles, so there's one here and one inside. And you can use that to fit almost any door, which we show you here on the box. And as you can hear, has a very satisfying close. This is great for real estate agents and people that need to share access to something with keys or a key card. It's weatherproof as well. So we'll go to the side, show you the construction, how it closes. It's a very good, satisfying close right there. This is the back, so it's got a rubber back, fits nicely right there. And then on the bottom, you can see where the flap is for the USB-C charging, right here. So this is the Igloohome. This is the Smart Keybox 3. And you get mounting hardware as well. So that's really cool. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.